Takulamuta sablenya, takulamuta sina, sina. Don't run, don't you run away. You got to be strong and fit to swim along. I say don't cry, why you crying now? No tears, mama. I say don't die, don't you die on me. Life is so sweet, I'm living alone. I say don't fall, don't you fall down. Get up and stand up, it's a new day. Ukishikashkamana, you got to be a real man. Woman, no man, don't you worry, daddy, don't you worry. Daddy, sina, mama, sina, sina, mama. Mama, sina, mama, sina, sina, mama. Daddy, sina, mama, sina, sina, mama. Eh, daddy, sina, mama, sina, sina, mama. Ego be ho, ego be keke, ego be ho, ego be keke. Life gonna be okay, life gonna be keke, life gonna be okay, life gonna be, life gonna be, life gonna be. Takulamuta sablenya, takulamuta sina, sina mama. Takulamuta, takulamuta sablenya, takulamuta sina, sina mama. Mama sina, sina, sina mama. Ego be ho, ego be keke, ego be ho, ego be keke. Life gonna be okay, life gonna be keke, life gonna be okay, life gonna be keke, life gonna be, 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 life gonna be. It's called Gobi Keke. Gobi Keke is Ghanaian way of saying it's going to be okay. It's English, actually. So when I first started learning, this girl was from Denmark, she was from Ghana, and she told me what she said in Ghana. She liked saying Gobi Keke, so I like what it says in Ghana. It means it's going to be okay. So I told her, you know what, I'm actually going to make some title. It's the first song I did. I said, Gobi Keke.
Excellent.